Hi everybody, my name's Ben, and I just wanted to share this quick Ableton tip. Say you have an audio effect on a track, and you've got a knob assigned to a control. Now usually when you turn this knob, it affects the control. Now when you go to a different track, you're not looking at that tool anymore. When you change the control, you can't see what's happening. So something I found out that works really well is if you map the same knob that you use to affect the control to the toolbar, so it's mapped to these both. Now when you're not looking at the tool, when you change the knob, it takes you to the tool, so you're viewing the changes you make. I hope that helps. Anyways, I'll probably make more videos in the future, and I hope somebody gets use out of this. Enjoy!